The Black Nazarene is a holy day on the Filipino Catholic calendar, but for some, it's also a yearly family affair. Relatives and friends don't care walking barefoot under the sun as long as they're together. Some of them parade their revered Nazarene replicas above their shoulders. The Swal clan, meanwhile, holds classic Filipino games for the kids while waiting for the image to pass through their street. There is the sack race, where they hop their way to the finish line. And Pukpok Palayok, where almost all of them just can't hit the target.
So ito po kasi yung palaro namin, alay po yan sa mahal na pong Jesus Nazareno. So minana pa po namin yan sa mga tita-tita namin.
Some adults kill time by binging on food and alcohol, despite a liquor ban. Adding to the festive mood is loud music from the stereo. They say this is their time to catch up and have fun. And yes, everyone is welcome for a free taste.
Kasiyahan lang doon. Hindi kasama sa ano yan. Parte lang ng kasiyahan yan. Nasisiyahan kami pag kami mga pumupunta mga bisita.
These group of friends sit on plastic sheets on a side street, content to wait for the Black Nazarene.
Iniintay namin kasi galing na kami dun. Sumalang na kami.
But no matter how simple his way of celebrating the event, John Paul Manansala has a fervent prayer to the Black Nazarene.
Maging manager.
Manager ng ano?
Ng ano? Bangko. Manager ng bangko.
You can trust the typical Filipino with his love for fiestas and the Catholic faith to find their own ways of celebrating a holy day. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.